Hi everyone, today we're going to take a look at a big order that I made on the website 01 Big Bricks. It's a website of unofficial Lego minifigures of thematics like Star Wars, Marvel or other thematics, and I found it random searching like some custom minifigures, and I found it on internet. I ordered 19 minifigures, 18 of Lego Star Wars and one of Spider-Man that you're gonna show, sorry. And we're gonna start with the one of Luke Skywalker from The Last Jedi, I think, if I'm not wrong, the episode 8 of Star Wars that I watched just one time, but really I didn't like it. But the minifigure, you're gonna take a look here, it looks really amazing. I mean, the kind of detail wide on the hair, the face is pretty detailed. You can see here a little bit some lines on the face, and the lightsaber green and the cape too. I think that this minifigure, I'm not sure if I'm right or wrong. I didn't check really. Maybe I can check on Brinklink right now, but I think as far as I saw, the Lego never made one like this. Made one of course, the episode 8, but not one like this. Yeah, the minifigures. The one of Luke Skywalker old, and you can see that it's pretty different. I think that the website have it too, but this one definitely better, and the outfit is really nice. I love this blue too, so yeah. The first one of my order. The second one is the one of Jango Fett, more basic. I mean, I just didn't have it in my collection. I wanted really one of Jango Fett. I know that it's a really expensive minifigure. It just appeared in four sets as much of Lego in all these years, so I was really happy to find one like this cheap, and definitely look pretty good, pretty accurate, so we will see. The third one is the one of the Admiral Throne, if I pronounce it well. The look fine. I mean, this one look pretty fine. Maybe the picture is not HD, that's why it don't make justice to how will be the minifigure. But I know perfectly that this one is really expensive. It's a minifigure that have a big value with, we see, a average price. If you take a new of 48 euros. So I mean, it's definitely too much in my opinion, but you can see that the details look like exactly the same as the one of Lego. Maybe the color, we will see how is the blue, but this picture is HD, so that's why it look better than this one. But I'm pretty impatient to see how will be this figure. The next one is just one of Mace Windu, nothing special about it. I just never had a figure of Mace Windu. Is my favorite Jedi, and I think that was important for me to have one of him. And he's the only one that is available on this website, so I just took it. That's it. The one of Spider-Man. So I was saying that I ordered one of Spider-Man. Is the one of the black suit of Spider-Man on the movie Spider-Man 3. Not this one. This one. I'm curious, intrigued to see what is this exactly. As far as I can see the picture here, there's a normal brick for the face, but this maybe like something that we need to put over the normal face, like the normal shape of the face, the Lego faces. I'm not sure. I don't know, to be honest. We will see how it is, but it definitely look really cool. Let's continue with the next one. Is the one of the Coruscant Guard that was on promotion, as you can see here around. It look great. I mean, I just want to have some clone troopers of all the type of clone troopers that exist in the Star Wars universe, and this one really look great. Made me think about Shock Trooper that I ordered one too. Really almost look like the same, maybe the red a little bit more dark, but it look great. The next one is the one of Kylo Ren. I think that Lego made one like this. I just saw that was really expensive to buy it alone. I searched on a lot of websites, and I was like, okay, maybe the best opportunity is to take it here with the promotion too. The faces, the double faces, don't look so bad. I mean, maybe the orange, I don't know why. Maybe not so correct, but we will see. And the helmet, definitely, I'm curious to see how it will be the level of detail, if it will be well made or not. But I need one of Kylo Ren, even if I'm not fan of the episode 7, 8, or 9. I want to have one, and to make like a little army of Stormtrooper too. So with the Captain Phasma that I order here to, I don't know where is it exactly. I'm spoiling my figures here. So the Captain Phasma that I ordered too. This one I'm not so fan too. Is not a character that I'm like, wow, I need it too. In the sense that it's not a character of Star Wars like it's really emblematic. No, nothing. Don't have anything special in my opinion. Just make like 2 movies and die. So well, for me like just a random first order character. But you see that the price is pretty expensive for this minifigure. So I think that this one look great and will be enough for me, would be really fine. This one of Boba Fett that really I'm intrigued because this one is a little bit different from all the other ones I order. You see that the helmet have some damages on it. It really look great, and there's here this part over the torso with some kind of protection over the shoulders. Two with yellow parts, the green, some damages here of bullets, a belt around here, the waist, and a cape that I don't know if it's an like hard plastic or a soft one. I don't know because the shape is I would say look like more like hard plastic, but not sure. We will see how it is when I receive it. I will make a video anyway. And you have the jetpack there. I mean, the minifigure look pretty like full of stuff, and I'm impatient to receive it to see how it look like, if it look well or not. This one I just took it because it was on promotion. I wanted to take another one of Boba Fett. I'm gonna search it to show you. But when I saw this one on promotion, I was intrigued. I just wanted to take this one with the damages on the helmet. It was looking great, but maybe this one look better. I don't know. We will see how it is when I will receive it. The next one is the one of the Camino Security Clone Trooper that is the same, almost as the Coruscant Guard Trooper, Clone Trooper. Just the color that is grey and have a jetpack on the back, so nothing special about it as you can see here. But look fine. I mean, it's a nice figure to have, and Lego never made this one, so like a nice one to pick. The next one, the following one, is the one of the director Krennic, Orson Krennic, from the movie Rogue One, and I know perfectly that as a set with the Imperial Shuttle of director Krennic with the minifigure of him, but I was like, maybe I prefer to take this one than the shuttle that look well, but I wouldn't have too much space to put it for now, so definitely better to order just the minifigure. And I took with him a Death Trooper, of course, just one. Maybe I should have taken two. Next time I will take another one. This one look as really the same as the one of Lego. I saw some video about it, and I mean, I think that is the same, exactly the same. Yeah, maybe the color of the hair a little bit more, I don't know, dark here, I would say, but otherwise it definitely look the same. And yeah, that's it. Don't too much things to say about it. The next one is the one of the I maybe passed one, yeah, the one of Luminara Unduli that was there. This one look amazing. I mean, I took it. I wanted this Jedi since a while as a minifigure, but they made a version like white. Normally it's a black outfit, black costume, but this white costume look wow. I mean, with the face, the eyes really blue like this. Got some gold details on the torso, the legs, and even in the back. For me, it looked really amazing and promising, so I'm definitely impatient to see this one. The Captain Phasma. We saw it, the Shock Trooper is a minifigure that I wanted since a while. I really and still want this one, and I'm sure that I will have it one day. But when I saw this one version of the website, I was like convinced, so I took it. But one day I know that I will pick this one that is not so expensive as we can see the price, so shouldn't be a problem. After we have the figure of Shakti, the Jedi Shakti. That is a Jedi that just appeared in one set on Lego, like from 2011, if I remember well. And of course, it's an expensive minifigure too. So maybe better to pick up this version. After we have some Mandalorian with Bo-Katan, was on promotion. I mean, let's compare a little bit from the version that Lego made this year with the Mandalorian Starfighter, and maybe I would say that there's some differences. As you can see, the ends are like blue on this version, black here. The helmet that is like more a dark blue, navy blue here, and here more like light blue, I would say, more or less dark. And the details on the torso are a little bit different. The color of the minifigure in general is like more around black, and here more like gray, and you have here some protection over the shoulders that you don't have here. I mean, there's some difference, but and a jetpack also, of course, and we will see how it is. I mean, for me, it does look great. After we have the one of Pre-Vizsla, this like the one of Boba Fett have a kind of protection here, the cape with a, I don't know, like blue that I love, like cyan. I mean, looks really great. I love also the printing on the legs, the helmet, the belt, sorry, and a kind of saber here. So yeah, everything looks great on this one, and I'm really impatient to see it in real. We arrive at the end of the list. Just two more. The one of Anakin Skywalker from the episode 3 of Star Wars with the red cape, some brown printing for the boots here, and this face, the face of Darth Vader with all the anger, all the madness of Darth Vader before he really became Darth Vader. I mean, really look definitely great. And to finish, we have one of Ahsoka Tano. This one I just choose it because of the lightsaber, like transparent. This look really good, and a lot of details on the hair, on the face, even on the arms, as far as we can see. So I saw it. It's a little bit more expensive than the other, but really the picture intrigued me, and I was like, okay, maybe I should take this one. And at the end, I took it. Definitely happy about what I choose. I'm sure that I will order again if they have new ones or one that I wanted, but I didn't take it this time. So now I just need to wait that arrive. It comes from China and take me that I'm on France take like 2 to 3 weeks at least to arrive. So I need to be patient a little bit, but I'm sure that I will make a video about it and show you all the minifigures that I order this time. So yeah, let's just see us for the next video. That will certainly be a review of my collection behind me, and I will just say like the video, comment and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.